Yes.
Still in my prime, go remind them. Never left in 9X. Fashionista ask me how when me get me style them. Gun matchy boot and the boot matchy boy vest. Tell the soup we have can, but them hard for your digest. You see that weed, yeah, where I get.
Welcome to my channel. This is Bible Travel Barber. So today I'm gonna do some fried fish with bonita. This is the bonita. You know, so we have the head and the tail and the slices from in the middle. So we already gonna set up this. So it's already washed already still, but I'll give some more wash with some. Yeah. Yeah, so now I put on the yeah. So we have this for fry. Right. So set it. Make it go on hot and then we're gonna put it in there. The fish, you know. This fish called bonita, you know. It's nice when I fry it. If you want to put onion or you know, any little thing we want to put pan if you want to cook it up with some sauce or anything. So maybe just fry it dry and eat it with something, maybe bread or something. But so stay tuned. Right, so we had the oil now. So we'll add some oil. Yeah, so. So I can't get for hot, you know? In the oil. So, in the oil that, I'll put it in the fish, you know? And in the bonita them to fry crispy and nice, not this. So stay tuned. So how do you need garlic, you know? Just garlic at the high. The high and look flavor.
Just send me this video. Thank you so much my lazy members for always, sending these sweet videos to me.
Oh, they are well hot, you know?
When she sent me to do this.
Okay, so
actually today one of our agenda was actually clarifying on the meal, like the both of them but now you tell me the community and you tell me to answer the fact if you are going to come to this place and say that this is the direction and finish and then this it's going to take us towards land. So now we continue with another 3 minutes. One of the things are really I think it's the problem for Monday, so all days,
try the fish on there, you know? Crispy and nice.
The second that it starts with a baby is beginning to long before the foundations are laid, and its impact to go long after the last stroke of heat, molding our present and future surroundings. Today, the construction value chain has a critical role to play in mitigating climate change, accounting for 20% of global carbon emissions. Half of these emissions come from the production of construction materials. The operation of buildings extends to other half. Without decisive action, these members are bound to get worse. As construction activities increase in emerging markets, so will the use of more carbon-intensive methods and materials. But the future isn't set in stone. Investing in and reduce emissions
Come back now, I'm just going to turn them and then let them brown and nice, you know? So, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Chopper Barber.
During building operation, this can be achieved by optimizing
Alright. So I'm going to turn over the piston now, yeah? So you can use the left hand to do this. So you get them to turn over. Yeah, bar. Yeah, bar is here. Yeah, bar. Just for it. Left side get brown, get them really crispy and nice, you know, really crispy and nice. So, and I'm using the iron, you know. Just leave some more time to let next side get brown and crispy, you know, so you can get the ketchup out. And just stay tuned. Yeah, back to it again. So as you can see, I get brown and crispy, you know. Brown and crispy. Yeah. And the color I want to, you know. To get golden crust. Yeah, so right now, rolling across. This one to look like, you know, cross. Oh. This side off of the head.
I was doing, and most of my fans were not happy. I'm not going to do that again. All that at which the people who I have wronged in one or
Yeah,
two,
so
I'm really sorry.
just finish it, you know, fried fish, you know.
People who have wronged me,
So it come out.
people who have wronged me,
So it come out, you know. So I eat with some bread. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow a simple recipe and menu, you know, not too hard. So thanks for watching, guys. Chopper Barber.
Still in my prime, go remind them. Never left in 9X. Fashionista ask me how when me get me style them. Gun matchy boot and the boot matchy boy vest. Tell the soup we have can, but them hard for your digest. You see that weed, yeah, where I get.